Are you imposter?
No, I'm not. It's him. Run.
Oh man, go. Hold up. Just kidding. I don't understand why not everybody is already running this. Guys, welcome back to the MrTux channel. For anybody that plays or streams Among Us, the new proximity voice chat mod is available for you to download, install, and start using in all of your games. Whether you play with random people or whether you play with a group of friends, if somebody's running this voice chat mod, you will be able to hear them, talk with them in game. But for how easy it is to download this, you guys should be using this now. It is just that easy. You can take care of it right now. Then you can share this video with your friends and show them just how easy it is to download this, and you guys can hop in games right away. And what the beauty of this mod is that if you join, let's say, a public game, you can also connect with anybody else that also has this mod, and it happens to be in that public game. So the more people download this and start to use it, you're gonna be able to connect much easier with a whole lot of people. So if you are streaming this could be very, very exciting the more people that this reaches. But if you're a streamer and you're just looking to have some closed, fun games with your friends and for your streams, for your viewers, this is the way to do it. So let's just jump into it. What you're going to do first is you're going to go down in the description down below, and you're going to find the link to my Discord. In that Discord, we have a specific chat set aside for this mod that you can go in and click the link to download, and what it's going to do is bring you over to this screen, and this screen is where you actually click the link for the download the file, and then you're going to go down, open up this file, and the installation process is just that easy. All it's going to do is load up, install, and then it will instantly open for you. And the first thing that you are going to see when it opens is an option to open the game. Open the game, it's going to open Among Us for you automatically, and then you create a game. And then you want to make sure that both in your Crewlink, which is what the mod is called, in your Crewlink window, you have the same game code as you do on your Among Us screen to make sure that the two are connected. Then what you want to make sure of is that your microphone and your speakers are hooked up to the appropriate inputs and outputs to your computer. Whatever microphone you're using, you want to make sure that is selected, and you'll do that by selecting the options in the top left hand corner of the Crewlink window at the gear. Click on that gear, and then you will see drop down menus for your microphone and for your headset, and a few other options to toy around with the mod. Now, if you are running into issues with this, I would go back to that same link where you got the download from, and I would check the install directions, because there might be some settings on your computer that will prevent you from installing this. We haven't run through all of those issues yet, but if you do have issues, feel free to type in the Among Us help chat. See if one of the admin or myself would be able to help you configure how to make this mod work. This thing is so easy, you're not gonna run into any issues. Honestly, I thought it was going to be a little bit more complicated, and it's really not. It takes maybe some volume adjusting with your headphones, because you'll be able to hear everything super loud at first. Also, what's great about this mod, this is the most up-to-date version of this mod. It is incredible, it's amazing, and I recommend that you guys go ahead and install this right away so that you guys can have a way more entertaining time while playing Among Us with random people and with your friends.
Knife. Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
Oh my gosh, what is happening?
So many people here.
I have a knife. Ducky, put it down.
Oh my gosh, that was sinister.
That's hilarious, dude.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Alright, my tasks are done.
Just because I have a knife does not make me the imposter.
I'm pretty sure it's a quack attack.
I want to get stabbed. Alright, I'm gonna go with you guys on this, but it is 7, so I hope you're right.
Oh
Well,
man.
we've already got one. Either that or we're just everybody's
Dude,
on top
if
of
Pump was, if we did get Pump and Pump is it, I'm resetting.
Bro, if we
Oh, well, I'm not playing that anymore.
Are you sure I can trust you?
Okay. Lights?
Stay here with me.
Okay. I'm done. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Okay, it's done.
Together.
Okay, it's done. It's done. It's done. I'm gonna check it. Hello, any bodies here? Nope. Nope. Okay. Keep a party of 3 around Seb, please. All right. Somebody help me.
Three? Party of Seb, can you come just be friends?
All I want is friends. No, I'm not gonna stab you.
Is he imposter? Is he where?
Holy crap! He jumped on it.
It was Tux. It was Tux. It was Tux.
It's
It was
Tux.
Tux.
What?
He just ran away from the O2.
I was running away from it because Theo was going up by himself.
You ran away from a body.
Yes,
What do you mean?
I didn't run away from a body. I ran away from because both Cyan, Isabella and Seb were both there.
Okay.
They were both there. I ran away, and then I was going up because Theo was by himself.
Tux, who was it? Tux, who is it?
This is messed up. This
Who is
messed
what?
up.
Tux, who is it?
Who do you think it is, Tux?
It's Seb. Seb was the only one there with Iz.
Tux. I know it's not Stu because if it was...
It's not
he could've
Stu.
killed
Stu
it.
just walked in.
Okay, listen. Because I know it's not Stu because Stu, Izzy, and I were all 3 together.
And I know it's not Stu because he just walked in.
Izzy.
Oh
Stu
my
could have easily
goodness.
killed me, and then he could have killed Izzy, sussed me out.
Dude, you
Says
two were
right now.
together.
I'm
You
saying
two were
it's
together.
right
I
now,
was
you're saying
leaving
it's
admin because you guys were there. I would left admin. Theo was by himself going up. Okay?
Yes.
He was going to go take care of that one, but then he was by himself. I went down because I saw Iz, and she looked like she was by herself, and then I walked in, and you two were both together. So I left. And then Stu walked in behind, and then he called a body.
If we were wrong on Ducky, Seb
I didn't see
self-reported.
anything. Nothing was in my vision.
It's not me. It's not me, guys. I promise.
You were the
Please.
only one there with... okay. Vote said we
No, I
win.
wasn't.
Hold on, Theo.
No. I think it's either Tux or Stu, but I don't know who. I don't know.
Oh
which
my
one,
gosh.
Theo, are you?
Dude, it is
more
not
sus
Stu. Stu just walked in.
Theo, are you
I
more
think it's
sus on
Tux.
Tux or more sus on Seb?
Me, but
Super
I
on
think it's
Seb.
Tux. I think it's Tux.
There's no way. I literally left both of you because you were
guys-
you were
okay, we
both
already
together.
lost. We already lost because 2 of you voted me, but just to be clear, I think it's Tux.
Yeah, I don't
There's
think
no
I
way.
already lost. Here.
Unless Stu votes for Tux, then we can.
Oh,
Okay, well,
doesn't matter.
GG.
Alright, GG's, we won.
lost.
Good
No,
job.
we didn't. Maybe you won because you're imposter,
What?
but I didn't win.
No, we won. We're good.
What?
See?
What?
Holy
Oh my
crap.
god, there's one.
Um,
Tux, you son of a...
15 seconds. Your boy won. Your boy pulled it off. Let's go, baby. Woo! Guys, go ahead. If you guys got questions, you know how to hit me up. If you guys want to see more content, more games like how you're viewing right now, which are from our Among Us community nights, you guys can hit me up on our Twitch when we're live. I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and most Saturdays. Click the link down in the description down below. Until the next video, you guys, stay busy. Please don't kill me. Oh my gosh.
I'm checking over here. Seb was over here.
Oh, it was Ducky! It was Ducky! It was Ducky! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ducky, you used me!
The best defense